People always think that their sodium is coming from the salt shaker, but what we know is that 70% of Canadians' dietary sodium intake, it's not coming from the salt shaker, it's coming from processed foods and it's coming from restaurant foods. So restaurants are where you get sodium, and that's why it's so important to label there. If you're eating real whole foods, things like fruits and vegetables, whole grains, unprocessed meats, you're not getting any added sugars whatsoever. All probiotic food products offer certain general benefits. So it's like you just said, they support digestion. They basically promote what we call a healthy gut flora. But when we reviewed all of the clinical trials that have been done on these products, we actually found these products could offer additional health benefits that are not being advertised on their labels. And then when we eat fermented foods, we're getting a slightly different food that we're eating, and we're also getting those bacteria, which can be good for us. I think it will help consumers to make a more informed choice. It can help them make decisions when they're not sure about which item to choose. Any yogurt is going to have active cultures because you need bacteria to turn that milk into yogurt. This is not just any bacteria that's been put into this product. This is probiotic bacteria. You raise a good point with that salad. Do we necessarily want people to switch from the salad to the hamburger? In that case, the salad is going to have a lot of plant nutrients that the hamburger is not going to have. So it becomes a trade-off, and some of those calories that are on that salad, the fat calories, are going to help your body to absorb the nutrients in that salad. So maybe you want those calories. So I completely agree with this idea that not all calories are created equal. Sodium is an indirect contributor to unhealthy weights because we know when you eat a high salty meal, what happens? We get thirsty. And when you're in a restaurant, often the beverages that are accompanying your meal are sugar-sweetened beverages. So in fact, the salty food is propagating obesity. Well, the good news is all of the data that we collected is actually publicly available online on the restaurant's website. So if you're eating out frequently, you can go to those chain websites and find the sodium content of the meals you're eating.
All right. Mary, thank you very much.
Thank you.
That's Mary Scorbatakos joining us in studio.